Motors family, this is the 2001 Toyota Estima. It comes with 46,093 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3-liter 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is also 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. We'll start at this one first. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, the number that you're looking up top, that's 74,181. That's the kilometers. The miles again is 46,093. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors, LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any of y'all's questions. Thank y'all so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.